welcome back.
Yo! What's up? It's not nice to be back. No, just kidding.
But it's cold to be back.
Yeah.
What's up, Georgino?
It's good to have him back after 6 months of vacation.
Maybe 6
Or,
months.
It felt like 6 months.
5.5. I didn't even recognize you.
You smelled them
I
though.
could smell you.
So, meron tayong konting filming. Well, actually, ano siya for social media. So, may gagawin tayo ngayong parang stunt using the Hellcat dito sa work. As you can see on my background right there. Andyan yung Hellcat and may Christmas tree. So, hindi ko pa sasabihin kung anong gagawin namin. So, abangan nyo na lang yung video. Pero it's already sunset. Obviously, wala nang araw. At malamig. Today's my Friday, so chill lang.
Ito ang tunay na Santa, guys. Santa.
Santa Ruchi! Nahihilo na si Santa!
For the gram.
For the gram.
La merde, ça marche.
Don't burn yourself.
I won't. Santa baby!
Santa baby! Showtime! Tingnan natin kung magagawa ang tama. Yung donut, walang problema. Yung paglalagay ng ilaw. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yo! That worked!
That was sick as fuck. At first I was like, oh no, no.
Oh, yun na oh. May ilaw na oh. Nailagay yung ilaw oh. Yo!
That was perfect.
Good job, bro! That'll work. I hope it got caught in the video.
I'm so surprised. I did not expect
Good
that.
job.
Thank you. Then good job to him. Not where'd he go? Do
It
we
looks super
redo
good.
it?
I feel like we could do the top of the tree now.
Yeah.
She might.
Maybe just
With
for
the
the
drift,
top.
I moved that way, so then and I only have.
Isa pa daw.
I don't have. That's why I was saying.
May hilo, Brad. May hilo. Matagal na walang donut.
Nung himinto, parang gumagano.
Yun yung mga pinapractice nung illegalista pa kami.
Aha.
Yung mga ganyan kadikit sa sa cone. Tao pa nga iniikutan, putang ina. Hindi cone eh. So take 2. Pero ngayon galing sa taas yung ilaw pababa. Pero okay na, nakuna na mga ayos yung kanina eh. Marketing purposes. Pasko na kasi. Round 2. Sana magawa ng maayos. Did you see it?
I'm
Did you see
busy.
it?
Recorded, right?